Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that.
Hey guys, so I washed my hair and it just really shrunk, but I'll be weaving it now to prepare it for the crochet I want to make on it. I'll be using this.
Your smile keeps playing, you're miles away, yeah. I would go overseas just like that. Don't overthink it, why can't you stay here? Give me the call and I'll just be there like that. I don't understand it, but you keep me together when everything around me keeps me under pressure, yeah. It's so overwhelming, but I will wait forever so you can come and get it. I don't understand it.
So this is what I will be fixing. I don't know the name, but this is, I've used it before. I just wanted to show you guys. Appreciate yourself. This sound has been on my mind. This.
They're not ginger, you ginger yourself. You don't try for yourself. Appreciate yourself.
I'm watching this movie. The boy harassed the wind. So someone's tweet and it was like, it's such a good movie. So peer pressure, man. I let it. So I'm about to start my hair. Oh my god.
Why try so much to get back? Ain't something you thought I had to drive me crazy, but I still want you here. So just give me the call and I'll just be there like that.
Okay, starting with the front because I don't want to. I just feel safe, and I'm not doing it like this. This could work. I did this one like this, like. I did this. I'm moving packing. Sherry, are you guys seeing it?
I don't understand.
kind of done with the front. I want to mostly pack it to one side. I'll still come back, sure, but for now, I'm going to the back. Still no ginger is. Act for yourself. Act for yourself. Guys, I'm done. Well, it's not paining me. It's not heavy. It's just long. That's my issue. Because I didn't really like that, like hair myself. Appreciate yourself. Act for yourself. I feel good. I don't finally do hair. Today is Friday. I didn't have class today, so today was quite free and useful. So I decided to make my hair. And guys, this is the end result. It's full. I would do another video showing you guys different styles with this same hairstyle. Let me know if you guys want it in the comment section, and if you don't want it, I will still do it. But then I like your comments too. If you know, like, hey, ginger yourself, you don't try for yourself. I tell you for you. I tell you for yourself. I'll be back. See you in the back. Guys, I look good. I look really good. I look really good. I look good. I love my hair. It's not paining me. It's very light. It's just long. That's the only problem I have, but they know ginger is like, hey, that's not the time out. Anyways, you guys. Let me clip it to my cloth. If they know ginger, you ginger yourself. But hey, laugh it. I beg, I need the clipper. So guys, I hope you love my hair. Sorry, that's the only song that's been playing in my head, but that sound, it's so beautiful. You should actually always appreciate yourself, no matter how little that win is. It's not a smart thing, please. Ginger yourself. So guys, that's why I'm very excited. I'll show you guys other styles you can pack with this hairstyle in my next video. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.